Well, hey there. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a grid over top of your printout. It's a little bit of a complicated lesson. There's a lot of things going on here. So I'm going to try this new thing where I film it and show you how to do it this way. Hopefully this answers a lot of your questions and you can do it well. You need your ruler and a pencil. Where's my pencil? I can know where my pencil is. All right, sorry, that was lame. Yeesh. All right. Our grid is going to be 8 inches wide by 10 inches tall, okay? So you can see that visually, 8 inches wide by 10 inches tall or high, okay? Now, 8 by 10. What you have to do, most of you have a defined bottom edge. I don't really because I was wearing a light shirt that day, but I am going to figure out about where my bottom edge was and draw a line. 8 inches, okay? You can see that there. So now, using your ruler, you need to know where the inches are. Obviously, 1, 2, 3. You know how to do that. So I make a mark at every inch, okay, along the bottom. So I'm actually going to move my ruler down a little bit, make a little mark at the 0 mark, the 1 mark, okay, just above the ruler, right below my line, so I could see the marks. The 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, and finally the 8. And this will be the edge. The 8 will be the edge, starting with 0, going to 8. Got it? Now, it gets a little bit harder when you go along the top because I don't have a mark here. I don't really have anywhere to go to. Okay, so what you want to do is go on the top edge of your paper and look for your paper being parallel to the ruler right here. Okay, and put your 0 mark there and your 0 mark there at 90 degrees. So your ruler is parallel with the edge of the paper. And now you're going to do the same thing, making a mark. I'll draw a straight line up to the 10-inch mark. Okay, so now I'm going to draw 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. Okay, you get the routine. 4, 5, 6. How am I doing? 7. Thank you. 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So I have my, I don't know which axis this is, ask your math teacher. So I have this axis, a mark at every inch, and I have this axis, a mark at every inch. All right, so now I can go across this edge. So I'm gonna put this first mark at the bottom at 10 inches right there, okay? You see that 10 inches right there at the bottom, and make sure my ruler is parallel with that edge. Okay, so starting with the 0 mark at the top, down to the 10-inch mark here, and the same thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 at the bottom there. Okay, so now I've got 3 out of my 4 edges. Okay, and so now I'm just going to turn the paper upside down or just turn it like this, and hopefully this adds up to 10. I'm sorry, 8, my bad, 8 inches across. So draw a line from there to there, 8 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And now I have 8 marks across the top, 8 marks across the bottom, 10 on each side. All right, so now you just do the long but simple process of connecting the marks all the way around. So I'm going to do this really quickly. Okay, so you guys can see that I now have completed my grid. Perfect 1-inch boxes all the way around, okay? 8 boxes wide, 10 boxes tall. 8 by 10 is what? Well done. I have 80 boxes, okay? And so now you just think of it this way, 80 miniature drawings. And look, that one's done, that one's done, this one's done, this one's done. This one is a super simple line here, okay? This one's a super simple line that way. And you're looking at where it starts and stops in relationship to the corners and the edges, and you're using your drawing skills to really see where everything needs to go. A grid makes drawing really, really simple, okay? On your actual project paper, you're gonna do 2-inch by 2-inch boxes, okay? So you're making it twice as big, and then you're gonna paint it in using the 4 values.